Plate 3. Establishing the middle line and jaw structure. In this video, I'll show you how to establish the middle line and build the jaw structure using the Loomis method. We start with a simple sphere. This sphere represents the cranium, not the whole head. Now we cut the side plane of the head. This creates a flat surface for the ear and jaw hinge. The horizontal line marks the brow level. The middle line wraps around the sphere. It tells us the direction of the head. Before drawing the jaw, we must locate the jaw hinge. This point controls the entire jaw structure. Think of the jaw as a solid block, not a soft curve. It wraps under the skull like a U shape. Always draw thickness, not just an outline. Please follow the completion process in the remaining steps of this section. In this step, I want you to understand the alignment of the jaw and the skull. This section is where the nasal cavity and cheekbones are attached to the spherical part of the skull. In this fourth step, I will draw the complete details of the skull combined with the jawbone. Note that the jawbone is U-shaped and is attached to the skull near the ear. Please review the entire process from this angle. Let's find out what the base of the half jawbone will look like. In the three-quarter view, the jaw creates strong angles. This gives the face depth and structure. From this perspective, the jaw is combined with the skull like this. I will complete this angle in the next image. Please observe. I completed this angle in 2 steps. Once you grasp this lesson, you will quickly shorten your portrait drawing process. Practice this plate slowly. Understanding the jaw is essential for realistic portraits. In the next video, we'll place facial features on this structure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.